Hey everyone, Shanley tonight here. I am going to teach you about sock folding today because as you can see I have a plethora of socks available that could be put away. So I'm going to come out from behind this plant, which I love very much. It's a jade plant from my best friend in Arizona. And show you how to fold these socks. Okay, here we go. So there are different kinds of socks, so different sizes. And as you can see, these are sort of a little footy sock. Okay. Same thing with these. Same thing with these. So it doesn't matter which pair you pick. I'm going to pick the ones with the colors just because I like the colors. And then we have this pair, which is a little bit longer. So the same principle applies to both. Marie Kondo likes you to not take your socks and fold them over like that because she feels like what has happened after a long day of work sitting on your feet is that they have done a lot of work. So instead, what she likes you to do is fold them gently over, okay? And then at this point, what you're gonna see in your drawer is the roll. And then that way it looks prettier. So instead of putting it in like this, which has a lot of layers, you're gonna put it in like this so that we can see just the pretty part. Now with the longer pair of socks, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna fold them. I like to make sure that mine are all the same. So heel to heel, toe to toe, that kind of a thing, so that they line up like that. Then you're gonna fold them in thirds. And so it doesn't matter if you start at the top or the bottom, doesn't matter to me. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold them again. We're looking for that roll, okay? And then you're gonna put them in your drawer so that they line up. So excuse me while we move real quick. We're just gonna flip around so that I can see what you're seeing. Let's go, flip, flip, flip. Well, it's not happening. Okay, well, I'll just hold it this way. So what's happening here is all of my socks are in a roll. So that way, when you take your socks and you put them into the drawer, oh, sorry, this is hard. There we go. You can see them like that, okay? And then these are gonna go here as such. There you go. And then these are gonna go here. And if you just do them all at the same way, the same time, they'll look pretty, okay? Thanks for joining me. Bye.